What was the first use of fallow in ancient farming? Have you ever wondered how ancient farmers managed to keep their crops thriving year after year? One of the earliest techniques they used was the practice of leaving land fallow. So, what exactly does fallow mean in the context of farming? Let's take a closer look at this fascinating agricultural technique and its historical significance. The first use of fallow likely came about as a response to soil depletion. Early farmers noticed that planting crops continuously led to exhausted soil. They discovered that allowing land to rest without planting for a season or more helped restore its fertility. This practice was an early form of caring for the land, ensuring it remained productive for future harvests. In ancient farming societies, particularly in the Fertile Crescent around 12,000 years ago, farmers used simple methods like slash and burn. They would clear patches of forest by cutting and burning the vegetation. After a few years of farming these plots, they would abandon them and let nature take over. This allowed the soil to recover before they returned to cultivate again. As time went on, more organized fallow practices emerged. In medieval Europe, farmers developed crop rotation systems, such as the two-field and three-field systems. In the two-field system, half of the land was cultivated while the other half lay fallow each year. The three-field system improved this further by dividing land into three parts, one for autumn crops, one for spring crops, and one left fallow. During the fallow period, farmers often plowed and harrowed the land to incorporate weeds and leftover plant material. This helped replenish the soil with organic matter and nutrients, leading to better crop yields. The introduction of the plow around 3,000 years before Christ made this process even more effective. It loosened the soil and turned under plant residues, speeding up the renewal of the land. Over time, farmers also began to plant cover crops on fallow land. These crops protected the soil and added organic matter, although this practice was limited in earlier times due to the high value of seeds. In essence, the first use of fallow in ancient farming was a natural response to the need for soil fertility. It evolved from simple methods of shifting cultivation to more sophisticated crop rotation systems. This practice played a key role in sustainable agriculture, allowing human societies to grow food and support larger populations. The journey of agricultural techniques has truly shaped our history and continues to influence how we farm today.